It's 17 hours.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
And I'm so
Ishan.
Good evening,
sorry
sir.
Good
for
evening.
external sound.
Oh my God. So keep yourself muted. Unmute only when you have to speak. So what is the reason, Ishan?
Wedding ceremony is there.
Okay. Got it. Two minutes more and then we'll start. 5. It's 3 minutes past 5 now. Right. So good evening, everyone. Today I'm so happy because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 participants have already joined. So we have Ishan and Chef Shankar, Shantanu, Plush Priya, Shaurya, and Abhinav Anand. So Shaurya, I am unable to find out who is this Shaurya. Okay, she has gone. Okay, fine. So let's start. The topic which we have today, the motion, is that plastic should be banned. Okay, and we have both for it and against it. The first speaker is going to be Aryan Shankar as of now because he is there already, and he will speak for it, means plastic should be banned. Then Ishan will go, plastic should not be banned. Then we have Plush Priya against it, means plastic should not be banned. Shantanu for it, and Abhinav Anand for it. As of now, we have these 4 speakers. And whenever others will join, they will speak as per their for or against. So I will request Aryan to start. Plastic should be banned, and Aryan is for it.
Good evening to all. uh, Plastic should be banned in everywhere because first of all, I will take a point. Plastic is non-biodegradable, means it does not degrade. It plastic can choke the wait a minute. Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. So good evening to all. So I will tell about the why plastic should be banned. First of all, my first point is plastic is non-biodegradable waste. It can't be degradable. Second, when it burns, it produces carbon monoxide, which is harmful for us. Third point, the street dogs, cows, when they eat from the garbage, the plastic should choke on his or her neck. It can the death cause for street dogs, cows, and animals. And the third point is it should also damage our environment when it melts. When it melts in the soil, it can uh, it can make the soil non-fertile. When you collect the whole big amount of plastic and burn it in a place where when it burns, it produces carbon monoxide gas, which is harmful for us. Secondly, it when it melts, the liquid plastic can damage the soil also, and it can make the soil unfertile.
Okay, thanks, Aryan. Now time for Ishan to go against it. Plastic should not be banned. So he will try to elaborate the positive side of plastics.
So can I speak in last?
It's okay. It's okay. No issues. Please go on. It's okay, Shan. You can speak. We
For
can
me,
hear you.
problem.
We can hear you. Don't worry. Go ahead.
Okay.
It's okay. Your speech will come with background music. Start.
May I have your attention, please?
Yes, we all are listening. Start.
Okay. Respected sir and my dear friends, a very warm good evening to all of you. Today I am here for stand before you to express my views against the motion. धरती से शोषित जल के बदले थमा देते हैं हम उसे प्लास्टिक की खाली बोतलें। उस क्षण को सोचकर डर जाता हूँ जब धरती भी पानी के बदले प्लास्टिक उगलेंगी। A few lines by some poet. When I saw this topic, I was thinking I should go for the motion or against the motion. But sir told me to go for against the motion. That's why I have to speak of that. One day, Arjun asked to Krishna, हे माधव, इस सृष्टि में ऐसा क्या है जिसे ना तो अग्नि जला सकती है, ना पानी भिगो सकती है, ना ही धरती गला सकती है? कृष्ण टोल्ड, हे पार्थ, आत्मा के अलावे पॉलीथीन ही एक ऐसा पदार्थ है जिसे ना तो वायु सुखा सकती है, अग्नि जला सकती है और ना ही धरती उसके गला सकती है। The point is, polythene, here we are to discuss about the polythene or just plastic, because I have holding a pen that is also a plastic, and the chair that is also made up of plastic. So behind everything we use plastic, and in this era we can't imagine life without plastic. It is very difficult. From Ambani to a poor class family, everyone need plastic to cover their house, their cars, even sometimes for their different things. Because the world's costly building in Telia also need plastic to cover in rainy season by plastic. Sometimes we think about ban plastic. It's okay. I'm not against that. Government, there is a fine system of using plastic, and I would check the different site of the fee of the punishment and the fine. Sir, if you allow, can I quote some fact and point about that?
Yes.
And these facts are collected from different websites like Hindustan Times, Economic Times, Times of India, Dainik Bhaskar, Trishti IAS, and different websites. I collect this information from the different websites. The price is from 50 rupees to near about 7 point few rupees, lakh rupees. See the gap of 50 rupees is the minimum of using some tobacco polythene to a big level of some industrial use polythene. So price is different, but is in our society that is completely banned. Even after this big amount of this huge amount of punishment, there may be a few time of there is a jail also for 5 to 7 days to 1.5 year. That is the punishment of use plastic. But even after, due to lack of consciousness, we always use plastic. And I don't know how this happened in our country, especially I think in Bihar this will happen. Like the polythenes used by a small poor vegetable sellers tobacco sellers and all these, like a small shopkeepers and all these, that plastic create pollution. But the plastic which is used in Lay's, Kurkure, and all these types of packaged food, if you need some oxygen in case of some suffering of, you can burn that plastic and you inhale, you get some good quality of oxygen by burning a packet of Lay's and Kurkure. Of course, I'm joking. But the fact is, why we always focus on small scale industries, shop, both are plastics. There is no any gap. But due to the level of mentality, excuse me, due to the level of mentality, we always go to the poor class society, not even the middle class. Because holding a milk packet of any Sudha or Mother Dairy, which is of plastic, is good. No one complain of that. And even sometimes a high class society, not but upper middle class and middle class family, they want their show off and they don't carry the cloth, the cotton handbags, because that cotton handbag, I don't know what is the mentality level. They think that the cotton handbag decrease their so-called dignity or sometimes whatever things. When they go market, they don't buy plastic bags. They just get it from the vegetable shop or some kirana shop as a free of cost. And if that shopkeeper don't give them, they don't go on another time on that shop. Like sometimes when I saw in a market, like when ladies go for the bargaining, they told, okay, paisa kam nahi karoge to 2 panni extra de do. That is also happen. So who is responsible for this plastic and all? We are responsible. Sometimes when we buy a Bisleri water bottle, which is of course 10 rupees or 20 rupees, we don't buy it for drinking water. It is also sometimes symbolized as a status symbol. Like, oh, किनले का water पानी खरीद के पी रहा है, Bisleri का पानी खरीद के पी रहा है. But on a railway station, there is a shop where you can carry your water bottle and easily buy from 2 or 3 rupees, 5 rupees. And now in this scenario, every sorry,
it's a dispensary shop, water dispensary shop.
Thank you. It's a dispensary shop, and I think every near market after 2 or 3 kilometers, it will be opened after a few time, and there we go and buy the water, and very easily it will be cheaper. But no, we have to show off, like हमें तो 100 रुपए वाला ही पानी खरीदना है. We don't show the cost of water because water is completely free. Mother Nature don't sell water. Mother Nature don't sell oxygen. But we fill in a pack of Lay's and we sell it. Not sorry, oxygen is not there. Mother Nature don't we just fill water in bottle and sell it. Sometimes the quality of bottle are good and the cost will goes from 10 rupees to 1000 rupees. One of my friend was telling that the cost of Virat Kohli's water is near about a few lakh or 1000 rupees. I was saying, wait a second, not that is Virat Kohli's water, that is Mother Nature's water. The first thing is, Not that is Bislery's water. That is some river's water. That is Mother Nature's water. But no, we have to pack it on a plastic bottle and just sold it. We just packed some food, spices, and all these things and sold it. And no one cares about that. The fact is, plastic should ban, but not in the level of government of India, not in level of different ministries like human resource, environment, and all. Supreme Court of India give a notice regarding using of plastic in India. I was reading that after reading of 2-3 pages, I was bored. Like it was of 10 pages, and even I can't understand the English of the good English of that level. But what I understand of these things, we have to aware of that. Supreme Court of India, state, and the central government, after putting their 100% of effort, they can't ban the plastic. Only one person can ban the plastic, that is me, that is you. And the ban should be on the self level. We have to ignore the plastic. But no, we always going to use the plastic. I don't know why this will happen, but we have to use that. I think 73rd or 74th eve of Independence Day, our Prime Minister also request the citizen of India to follow these rules, like independence of plastic, independence from the plastic. हमें पॉलीथीन से आजादी चाहिए. अंग्रेजों से तो हमने आजादी पाली, हमें पॉलीथीन से आजादी चाहिए, क्योंकि संभव है कि आने वाले समय में जब धरती प्लास्टिक उगलने लगेंगी, तो फिर रोटी के लिए हमें कहीं और जाना पड़ सकता है. इससे पहले कि धरती रोटी की जगह प्लास्टिक उगलने लगे, हमें प्लास्टिक को रोकना पड़ेगा. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ishan.
Thank you, all of you, to give your time.
After Chef Sankar for the motion and Ishan against the motion, I will request Shantanu to go for the motion.
First of all, good evening, everyone. Shantanu this side. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible. Please go ahead.
So today we are all present here to debate on the topic, should plastic bags be banned or not? And I am here from the proposition team. So I am actually in the support that there should be a ban applied on plastic bags. So first, let's start with some facts at why it should be banned. And if we say frankly, there are more facts than total number of fingers in our hands and legs. So first, plastic pollutes land and water. It contributes to climate change, and it is made from non-renewable resources. Now, it is non-biodegradable. It takes millions of years for a plastic to get properly degraded and end up, and it leads to waste of energy. It is toxic. It is dangerous to marine life and wildlife. It ultimately leads to dangers to human health. Now, it is in today's world, almost everything contains plastic. Now it is like we have become slaves of plastic. So this is a very important thing, that we humans are the creators of it, and we should not be slave of one such things, one particular thing. It is always dangerous. If we get in detail, plastic, I said a point that plastic leads to wastage of resources and energy. For creating 9 plastic bags, the amount of energy required is equal to the amount of energy used to drive 1 kilometer of a car. And what is the average life of plastic bag? Just 12 minutes. I'm not saying that we generally reuse plastic bags many a times, but on an average level, it's just 12 minutes. And almost over 500,000 fragments of plastic are present in every square mile of oceans now at this point of time. So this is telling that how adverse the situation has become, how bad the situation has become. It, after many surveys and reports and researches, like by National Geographic, it was found that almost every seabird present on this planet eats plastic. Now see how grim this situation is. So it all can stop only by applying bans. And according to me, bans should be effective, because if bans are made, if bans are applied in a proper way, in a planned manner, so that no one gets harm, or there is no loss of, like, many economies depend on plastic, so there is no loss, of economy, then it can lead us to get free from this monster which is called plastic. If we shift our interest from plastic, then the amount of money saved can help us make many alternatives, greener alternatives, which will help us in getting bio-friendly with the nature. And I would like to tell you that there's a area in the Pacific Ocean called the Great Pacific Plastic Bridge, which is almost double the size of the Texas state of US, and it is all made up of plastic, just plastic. So how dangerous plastic is? Plastic causes animals choke, like cows which eat from the dump waste. It gets inside their body and it chokes them. It leads to their deaths. So there are many severe effects of plastics. And if I give you example, a jug completely made up of plastic takes 1 million years to get decomposed completely. Now this is almost the same time from which the humans have existed on this planet. So see how dangerous it is, that even if a plastic was made from the first time a human arrived, it may still be, it would have still be present on this planet. So this is actually very bad. But although I know that the dependency on the plastic is so much high that we can't imagine our lives without plastic, but still, if we have to live on this planet, and like Ishan said, that कि धरती रोटी उगलने से पहले प्लास्टिक उगलने लगे, we have to get to some alternatives. And always, to achieve something, we have to leave something behind. And the last point I would like to say for this round is, we don't have a planet B. Although people are trying to inhabit Mars or make it able for humans to live, but still we don't have a planet B, and it is not coming in, at least in this century. So we have to live here, we have to die here. So at least leave some space where we can let our body rest on the soil. If there will be all plastic, then we will don't even get a grave for us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Shantanu. Now I will request Pushkar, and he will go against the motion.
Good evening, everyone. I am against the motion, and I request all the speaker who will tell that plastic should be banned. I ask a question: if plastic should be banned, then what is the alternative of it? Because we in the daily life we see many types of packaging such as milk, biscuit, even medicine. They all are packed in plastic wrapper because they are never be packed with the paper wrapper because the paper is so big that it cannot be properly safe. So if the plastic should be banned, then what is its alternative? So I think there is no option to ban the plastic, but uh, we have to reduce the use of plastic as much as possible. We have to think that keep a bag when we go for go market and reduce the use, but fully ban is not a solution because in this growing age, as developing age, it's I think it is not possible at all.
Okay, Pushkar, thank you very much. Now I will request Abhinav. Abhinav is there. Abhinav will Abhinav will go for the motion.
Morning everyone, myself Abhinav and I am for the motion. So sir, my first point is that plastic has a large impact on our earth. Plastic has a large impact in our earth. Or sir, plastic is non-biodegradable. And so when plastic is burned, it produces some toxic or smoke which is very harmful for our health. So sir, plastic should be banned.
Okay, Abhinav. Now time for Plush Priya. She will go against the motion.
A very good evening, everyone. I'm Palashpura of Army Public School, Mao. I feel honored that I have been given the opportunity to speak against the motion. Before telling you all about the good side of plastic, I would like to tell you that everything has a bad and a good side. Banning plastic is not a solution. We can reduce the use of it, but we can't ban it. I'll give you the reasons why we can not properly ban it. Because if we see it from the side of medical industries use plastic for the keeping things sterile. Syringes that they use as surgical implements, they all are made up of plastic. And plastic also helps us in protecting our heads, uh, by helmets. We are safe we are safe in our cars by seat belts that we wear. And if we think about food industry, if we talk about food industry, uh, in that industry also, if you all want to say that we can use metals like aluminium and what we can say, aluminium, silver, other type of metals that we can use instead of plastic. So I would like to tell you that aluminiums are the metals that can be oxide over time. And they are cheaper, but they are not, they are in a limited amount in our country. They are in a limited amount. We have to think of over it also. And if we talk about glasses instead of plastic, if we think that we can use glasses, but they are heavy in weight, glasses are heavy in weight, and they take much money. And recycle also, we can't recycle them, or we if we recycle them, they take a lot of amount in getting recycled. So I think from my point of view, plastic is the best that we can. If we are thinking of banning plastic, it is a type of madness only, because plastic cannot be banned. Um, it has become an essential part of our life. And just thank you for listening.
Thank you, Plush Priya. Now we will go for the second round. We will start with Chef Shankar. You want to go for any cross examination? You want to put any further points? You are most welcome.
Yes, sir. I will tell you one thing. Like Pushkar sir tell about ki plastic मिनिमाइज करना चाहिए, मतलब उसका कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है। बट ऐसा है कि हम लोग पॉलीथीन को सर बैन करना चाहिए, क्योंकि डे टू डे यूज में ज्यादातर पॉलीथीन का यूज होता है। लाइक चेयर वगैरह भी जो प्लास्टिक्स की होती है वो तो सर उसका अल्टरनेटिव हो जाएगा, वो सब हो जाएगा। बट हम लोग को जैसे जो काउस के या स्ट्रीट डॉग से जो गले में जो चोक होता है वो पॉलीथीन है, तो हम लोग को पॉलीथीन के ऊपर ज्यादा फोकस करना चाहिए रेदर देन प्लास्टिक।
Okay,
इट्स माय एंड
okay. Good point. Ishan, you want to put any more points?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
What I feel, plastic is not the problem. If you really think plastic is a problem, that is just a half true. The point is the way you use that plastic, that is the problem. It's like I think most of seminars and most of the time I use a quotation. The things are like a knife in a kid's hand. It can also use to help in the cutting of fruit, and it also cut the finger. The same thing like the plastic. It can be a good friend and it will be the worst. From best to worst, we have to think like how we use that plastic. And one of my friend told that actually plastic is not the problem. Even the Prime Minister told that the single-use polythene is the problem, not the plastic. And in every quotation like debate and all these in a different websites, plastic is not as a problem. Written as plastic is not as a problem. The single-use plastic, that is polythene, that is a problem. And the solution is very simple. As like I told you, when we go for buying a vegetable, just there is a small cloth bag. We can carry that. There is a jute bag. The designs are very good, and it will also a superb look for us. It's look better than plastic bag. We can carry that, and on the time of Lays and all, we have to avoid that fast food because these things are not good for health. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so now what we will do, because it's only 2 minutes left, we will log out and log in again. I will request all of you, please log out and log in again.